Alright guys, so basically um I want to explain the concept I'm using here, which is the liquidity concept. Now I want to say that this liquidity concept of a thing, everything still comes back to mastering your support and resistance. It's as simple as that. Knowing that you have to buy low and you have to sell high. So now the liquidity concept says that there are places where a lot of people place their stop loss, their pending orders. So the market has to take out this liquidity, take out this money. So once the market has taken out this money, that's when you can enter, because the market has make a lot of money from those sections. That's exactly what it means. So now, for example, let's say you want to sell now. If you want to sell, what are you going to do? You are going to put your stop loss to the next high. You see, this next high is your liquidity. So the market is going to take out this high before the market starts coming to sell. So immediately you take out this order, then you start looking for sell opportunity. It's as simple as that. So exactly what I'm doing right now. So the market, if the market is truly selling, we are waiting for the market to take out these highs, this internal structure here. So the market has literally take it out. So what I will do now is I'll wait for my confirmation that the market is literally selling, then I will sell next immediately. The network has fucked me up right now. So this is our software. This is the parameters. So now the market is literally going up. So which means you see this particular place now has become, that is where resistance, and that's why I said this liquidity concept of the thing still comes to resistance and support. So this particular resistance, it has turned towards support. It has broken the resistance. So which means the market is literally what? Buying. Now this is the next resistance above here. So we are expecting either the market to break it or come down here, then we buy, or start rejecting from here, then we sell. Okay, so let's wait for a selling position. Okay, the market is already selling, but we've not confirmed. Our confirmation is for us to sell. The current market price, is also price action. Must hit this red zone at this top here, then we sell. If it is for buy, the current market price must hit this green zone here, then we buy. But we do not buy directly like that. If it hits it here, if you want to sell, if it hits this red zone, we'll wait for the market to start coming down, giving us a sell signal. That's when we sell. Okay, so same principle applies to buy. So it has hit it, so we're expecting the market to come down to sell zone, then we sell. Okay, it has not hit it. This one is not really updating yet unless I refresh. This is the current market price, so we are looking to sell here. If we are to buy, but based on market structure, what is this market saying here? This market is going up, it's an uptrend. From higher high, higher low, then from here the market starts ranging in between here. So we need a breaker, but from the look of things, this market is an uptrend. So we are supposed to be looking for a buy entry, but in as much we can also make sell from our zones. We can milk the market like that. You just have to take more of that. If we want to take buy, then we have to wait for the market to come here, okay, or give us a buying signal. Once it gives us a buying signal, you enter. But right now we are looking to sell, so let's sell. It has not hit that zone and it's already coming down. We can also enter, but it's much more risky. It's best you wait for it to get to that zone, okay, before coming, before you enter. It's best. So that's the logic. So let's go again. So in as much as the market structure is buying, if you are meant to be targeting buy markets, okay, so which means the market is literally going to favor buyers compared to sellers. So what you want to do is you wait for buying signals, like buying candles to form. That's the best actions you can do. So that's just the one trade I want to take. I think we are done for this section. So I want to also make live withdrawal right in your presence so you can see how I do that. And this is a good market. This is a good market. I don't want my videos to be too long. This is a good market. So like right now, if I want to start buying now, I can start buying by looking at this candle. In as much as the market is uptrend, so is it giving us a buy signal? So I can start buying if this particular coin market price go back up, crossing this black zone, then I can buy. Why will I buy? I'm buying because the market structure is buying. So if I'm to be selling, then I'm doing counter trade. You are countering the market. But if I'm to be buying, I'm going in the direction of the market. So let's buy if our signal has met. We are waiting. Alright, I think we can buy now. Our buying is not working, so I have to refresh this section. Okay, I think it has bought. It has bought, yes. Because I clicked it immediately I see that signal. So let's wait and see the outcome. Alright, so that's just it. Is a simple analysis. So like right now, the market is literally going up. You wait for a retracement. So the retracement, this particular session is what we give exactly. So it has touched this green. We are waiting for a buy signal. So we believe that it's going to buy. So let's wait for the buy. Okay, that's a buy signal. So we believe it's going to buy. It's as simple as that. Alright, so it's also a winning trade. As I said, you can use this for even rise and fall. It will work perfectly fine. So let's go to the withdrawal section. And I think I told you the reason I personally am not using rise and fall. It's not as if this thing is not working for rise and fall. But I said because I have phobia for multiplying for martingales. Yes, I have phobia for martingales. So I prefer if I want to stake big, I can stake big at once. If I lose it, I'm okay. So I prefer those kind of things to martingale, and you keep incurring more losses and your money keep. You understand? So me, I don't like that. Alright, so now I'm going to verify the withdrawal so you can see live how we are making the withdrawal. Alright, so verify your withdrawal request. Yes, it's me. So this is my payment agent that I make use of whenever I want to withdraw. Make use of this. They are trustworthy and reputable. There are two of them there. It is this Ape exchange that you are going to use, not the Apex Cash. We are not using that one. We are using this Ape exchange, APX exchange, which is like saying Apex exchange. Oh, I'm coming. Alright, so I'm back. So now what I will do is I'm going to just enter the amount. We have to restart all over again because the code has expired. I have to restart all over again. So So you enter the amount you want to withdraw. I want to withdraw 4. I want to withdraw 3. So this is the one I use because it has group, so it is trustworthy. This second one does not have group, so I don't recommend it. I think you just have to restart all of this thing over and over again. Okay, insufficient. Oh, I can see what's wrong. Yeah, so I should have converted my funds. Should have converted my funds. So we want to withdraw $3. So what I'm going to do is transfer $3. So let's see if it's still going to work. So we continue $3. So you confirm and you send. So that's it. Then I go to the group or to my payment agent DM, send this particular screenshot and drop your account number, and he will attend to it as soon as possible. So see you guys later.